Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have question 26. If student draws graph of AC power supply and DC supply, which row shows the correct labels for W, Y, and X? Here we go. We have a simple electric circuit, AC power supply, and a lamp. The power supply, the heart of the circuit, providing alternating current. The bulb is the load in the circuit. It lights up when the current passes through it. The AC power supply or the alternating current, the key point is the direction of the current keeps changing. This is why we see a sinusoidal wave on the graph. So therefore, the voltage fluctuation, the voltage across the bulb also fluctuates corresponding to the direction or changing the current. So visualizing here the waveform, the y-axis represents the voltage, positive and negative values, and x-axis represents the time. Sinusoidal wave is the wave shows the voltage rising, falling, and reversing direction. It's a simple electric circuit right now. It's a DC electric circuit. There is a battery which is providing electrical energy for the electric circuit. A light bulb is connected to the circuit, lights up when the electric current flow. There is one thing here you have to know. There is a DC power supply. It means the flow of electric current from one terminal to the other one, especially from the positive to the negative. But here in the question, it's the flow of electrons, so from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Okay, this is not the problem here. On the y-axis here, which is the voltage, on the x-axis, which is the time taken, according to the DC voltage or current, the same value of the electric current or the voltage, and here it's shown by a straight line parallel to the time axis, like the one in the exam question here, which is X. Okay, so to end up this question, so the correct answer for this question is label of W, which is voltage, and the AC power supply is represented by sinusoidal wave, which is simplified by Y, and for the DC power supply or the here in the question, so represented by the straight line which is x parallel to the time axis. The correct answer for question 26, definitely it's D. See you next video.